Dr. Kamanitiere od bura mar Senate ewi uso kendo tiyo kod ndawa. Gikoni ne oko kawo pachgi e kinde mane ichwalo dwaro makamane od bura mar Senate, kendo mano en okang' matamogi kaka jopiny nyiso chung' margi, kendo kolo parono matut mondo kik obi okel hinyruok ne weg ohala kod joma tiyo kod ndawa. Johala go omedo ni parono mar chik onego wit oko kata ochak ng'e manyien kaluwore kod katiba.
We are alarmed that the bill of such magnitude could have been progressed through the Senate and arrive at this point with adequate public participation. We say so because apart from the news we have read in the media and online platform, the Senate or the sponsor of the bill has not come to us to seek for our views of the bill and to find out whether we support it or not. It should be a loss of the Senate that we operate in the line with the Kenya's Constitution 2010, with the mandate that the public participation must be undertaken before such bills are discussed on the floor of the House.
Tunatoa wito kwa maseneta wetu wakiongozwa na seneta wetu kufanya jambo sahihi na kuomba kuanza upya mchakato huu katika kaunti zote ili kuhakikisha kuwa sote tunalindwa.
I take this opportunity to ask the Senate to agree with the cigarettes and the nicotine pouches as an alternative for cigarettes, because it reduces the risk of the mortality risk.